here on this grand opening for Nothing Bundt Cakes. I'm so excited because I used to drive to Manhattan Beach, but now I can drive less than a mile right in my hometown. So on behalf of the Culver City Chamber, we want to welcome you, and we hope that folks enjoy, indulge, and that you actually name one of the cakes after the Culver City Chamber, you know, a flavor or something. But more importantly, we're so happy to have you, so welcome. We want all of our business owners to find a way to support and come on down and welcome you to the community. So on behalf of the Culver City Chamber, welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
And I think I turn it over now to the Vice Mayor and our council member, former Mayor Al Rivera, and Dan O'Brien.
Yeah, this is really exciting day. You got as you've learned, a fantastic location here in the Culver Center. Always a full parking lot. Always people. So people are going to walk to the gym and then bring the calories back, or consume the calories and then burn them off.
That's my plan.
Yeah.
We've already had it.
Yeah. So this is a business that we're lacking in Culver City, so we're very excited about that. I have something I'm going to read, and then we're going to hand over a little proclamation, do a little ribbon cutting, so it'll be excellent. So the city of Culver City is excited to present Nothing Bundt Cakes to Culver City. We're going to hand out the certificate, and we really congratulate you on your opening and wish you years of success in Culver City. Nothing Bundt Cakes is our newest small business. There's literally a bundt cake for every birthday, wedding, and holiday you can imagine. Each recipe only uses the best ingredients, and they offer a variety of different flavors, from red velvet, which I got my eyes on, chocolate chip, confetti, carrot, lemon, and more. There's literally nothing a bundt cake can't fix. Nothing Bundt Cakes was founded in Las Vegas, Nevada in 1997. I don't know why or how it's taken 27 years for Culver City to get one, but I'm happy we have one. They have over 500 locations, and we're grateful to have a location in Culver City. Congratulations to Hasmik and the Nothing Bundt Cakes team on bringing bundt cakes to the west side. We wish you many years of success here in Culver City, and anything you need, we are here for you. We got a great team with our economic development team. Where's Elaine and Luis and Elizabeth? So they're here for you. Please reach out to them for any of your needs, and of course our Chamber of Commerce. And thank you to our council member. Albert, do you have anything you'd like to say?
No, just congratulations. Welcome to the city. I know that small businesses are the backbone of the city, so welcome to our city, and thank you for choosing us to bless us with your deliciousness here. Can't wait to try them.
Okay, and we are going to give you your certificate.